Hello. Welcome to the weekend watch list, guys. Well, it's been a fantastic week so far. It's been a really fantastic week. Well, the weekend is here and it is Saturday. I actually did some few exercise myself. I went bike riding, played soccer, and did some planting at the yard. So it's been a really amazing day so far. So yes, let's get into the watch list for the coming week. However, I have the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF open up here. So right now it did close at 416.74. okay, so what I'm looking for in this case come Monday or the following week is for us to actually tap this 418 area again. Overall, we're putting up what they call a double top here. So a double top always indicates a reversal in most cases if volume doesn't come true. So overall condition of the market looks really solid, but I'm still waiting for price to pull back to the 20 EMA. If we can pull back to the 20 EMA and hold this level, we should be able to continue moving upwards, onwards, because it's a very good and healthy move where price come back to the 20 EMA, tap the 20 EMA, and then hold it as a support. In my reference, you're gonna see every time we pull back to the EMA, it always acts as a support every single time. This actually pushed through the 50, and this also the 50 EMA. So pretty much it's always been acting as a support. So we've gone far too long for us to pull back to test this 20 EMA. Okay, overall we have a steady volume coming in. I think our MACD is as well changing direction here. Okay, overall we have our condition of RSI at 65%. So pretty much I'm looking for either a push continuation higher to my 420 level target, or we'll pull back to that level. Biden is coming up with his capital gain task, so keep an eye on that as well. That will also affect the market regardless of what happened. Overall, I think we close solidly on Friday. Okay, now let us get into the play. Stocks that I've already owned and the ones I will be buying, I will be looking for an entry, okay, for the coming week. So the first one on the list is NCTY. Okay, NCTY, the reason why I like this chart is because RSI is 39%, which means it's oversold. Okay, it is oversold, and we are actually holding support here. This is a solid support right now. We just need to get out of this level because our immediate resistance is just around this corner right there. So if we can break this level, then we should be able to test the 20 moving average and then the 50. Overall, I like the way the MACD is calling up. Okay, I do like it, and I also like the RSI. Okay, this one I do like. This one I do like. Let's look at it on a Think or Swim, NCTY. Okay, right. So I already chat this up on a Think or Swim. So pretty much what I'm looking for here is for the price to break this level, because we have some SMA on there as well. So if we can break this 21.75, we should be able to push higher on NCTY. The next one I will be looking at is EYES. EYES. The reason why I'm looking at this is because we have a box. Okay, we need to get out of this box area right now. This is where we've just been consolidating forever. Okay, so now we need to break this level, which is $7.75 $8 area, and then we'll be able to push to the top of the channel, which is $9.75 $9.60, okay, on EYES. If you look at it on stock chart, let's see how it looks. Now you see that it's pretty much the same thing. We have a trend developing as well on this chart. Okay, so we just need to break this $8 area, $7.50 $7.75, and then the $8 area, and then we should be able to push higher on EYES. The next one is ASLN. ASLN. This one, what I'm looking for here is a very interesting stuff, okay, because we have our trend right here. So we are just working our way above the moving average, the 20 and the 50. Overall, I like the fact that our MACD is coiling up. Our RSI is just mid-range, which is like 47%. Overall, I like this ASLN. Okay, it's a pharmaceutical company. Next is AMCX. AMCX, I like it too. The reason why I like it is because we have our box right here. Okay, if we can break this area, then we tap the 20 and the 50 moving average, we should be good. If you look down here, our MACD RSI is also a decent one as well. So I do like AMCX, AMC Networks. And with that being said, let's get into the AMC itself. Okay, AMC is also a decent one as well. I like the fact that we have all the hips in this AMC. They are holding it strong and they are holding it tight. Shout out to Trey as well, because Trey is always been more like a foundation to holding this AMC. I like his thesis, I like his analysis as well, and overall the fundamentals looks really good in my opinion. And also on the technical standpoint, I just need this stock to push above the 20 EMA, of which we did. So right now we are holding right above the 20 EMA. Okay, so which means the trend, it is reclaiming the uptrend. Overall on this AMC, I have call options, I have equity on it as well. So I am holding strong for my $15 break and my ultimate target of $20 per share. I like this stock. Okay, MACD is also a good one, and also our RSI is not overbought. We are like 52%, which is decent. Okay, that is what I like about AMC. Now, next one is going to be AMD. AMD is something I've been watching for a while. The reason is because we're about to break a solid level. The $84, say $83.75, $83.90 is more like of a resistance. So I'm looking for $85 break. If I can get my $85 break, I should be solid on this trade. Reason why is because we are actually pushing away above the 200 moving average, which is 82.81. Okay, so pretty much we actually pushed through. We couldn't rejected it, and then we tap a little bit and close above that level. Overall, I like AMD for the long term, for a long swing, because why? I want my levels, because if I do, or if I track a trend here, that means we're looking at $88 per share or $90 per share. Overall, I like AMD for the long run because of issues with semiconductors, shortages, and all those good stuff. So keep an eye on it. I have call options and I have equity on AMD as well. Okay, next one is going to be VISL. VISL, the good thing about VISL, the CEO bought some shares of his own company, so that is an indication that the CEO also believed in his company. So pretty much I'm looking at this trend. This trend right here is a very solid trend, my friends. Right here we tap here, tap here, tap here, and I'm looking for another tap. We tap, 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 and we keep tapping along. Okay, so right now what is going on right now, we are actually pulling off of the 200 moving average, and we are going higher. RSI is pretty decent because we are at the 43% level. We have our MACD coiling up, and we have our volume solid averagely, moving, pushing higher. Overall, the last traded day we have 5.2 million shares traded, okay, with the low of $2.40 and the highs of $2.61. So we need to just break this 20 area, then our 50 moving average is the level. Okay, so keep an eye on it, it's very important. All right, the next one on the list is what I call Tesla. Okay, Tesla has been on a tier, up and down, up and down, up and down, but I like the beauty of this. The reason why I like the beauty of it is we just need to get out of this range. Okay, this is the range. If we can get out of this level, 750 is the high, and then $700 is the low. Okay, the EMA 50 EMA is around 702, and the 20 EMA is around 708. Overall, we are actually holding support around the $700 area. Okay, I have call options on this which will expire this coming week, and I also have equity on Tesla as well. Okay, so I'm looking for a 750 break. If we can break 750 and hold this area, then it becomes our support. Then we should be looking at 800 per share on a Tesla, or even more. And also don't forget we have earnings report coming up on Tesla, so keep an eye on it this coming week as well. Let's look at it right on 4/26. Okay, so Tesla, it has earnings coming up, so keep an eye on it. Levels still remain the same. Okay, this 750 area, and then our 700 area, this is our support. Overall, I like the fact that we just need to get out of this trend right here. Okay, we just need to get out of this trend, and for Tesla, I do like Tesla as well. Okay, next one is going to be coin, COIN. COIN, actually, my position is still far ahead. I think the IPO day I got in at 367. So I'm looking, I did had a little bit just to bring my average down because I believe in the company, and I also believe the fact that just trying to buy one Bitcoin Silver, which is called BSV. Okay, and I'm paying pretty much, I just tried to buy one just to see what the fees really is. It was charging me like almost like $2 or so. So pretty much they've been making a whole lot of money off their commission and fees of so many traders in the crypto space. But overall, I do like coin to actually hold around this area. If we can hold around this area, which is the support, we should be able to just coil and bounce and break through this trend that I have here. Overall, I like the company in the long run, not for the short run, not for tomorrow, next tomorrow, just for say for the next 3 months or 6 months in. Okay, so next one, I will be looking at Zoom. Okay, for Zoom has been really trading so crappy. Okay, Zoom has been trading crappy, so what I'm looking for Zoom is to break this level. Okay, this is our resistance for Zoom. Okay, if we can break the 343, we should be good. Overall, I like the fact that we held the 20 moving average, and I will be picking up some call options. I do like to get the because sometimes I like to get in the money. I do like the 330 call option or 340 call call option on this name Zoom, because the fact that we are below the 200 moving average. I like to get into options, to call option side in the money rather than out of the money, just in case, you know, it will still bearish and bearish and bearish forever. Okay, overall, the last one is TKAT. This one is the NFT play. Okay, this is an NFT play. So pretty much I got the MACD coiling, volume is coming in, and my RSI is coiling, which gives me an indication for continuation. However, we are breaking out of the trend. Okay, I took some around the $20 area, I think either $20 or $19 area, in anticipation for the move. And then we got to the 20 moving average. I sold some of them right there, and I held the rest. Okay, so overall, I'm looking for maybe like say right here. I'm looking for this particular price level, okay, which we actually tapped. So the next level I'm looking for right here is this level right here, which is the $38, $39 area. But you know, who knows, they might push it up to $40 or $39.99 like they always do, right? Market makers, they are very crooked. Anyways, another one is DLPN, also the same NFT play. So for this one, we are breaking trend as well. So I think they are pretty much, you know, goes hand in hand, or let me say they are well, let me say they are sympathy plays. Okay, so I'm expecting this to at least reject this area on Friday, and it did, because that's the resistance. And then I'll be looking for the $15 or $14.95 resistance if we actually hold this 1250 and then push higher. Overall, I like DLPN. Now let's get into the next one, which is the unusual volume. Okay, for unusual volume, what I'll be looking for in an unusual volume, I just go on Finbase and I click unusual volume. Okay, I click all. Okay, I'm sorry that I'm too fast. I just want to get out of this area and then get you something really cool. In terms of volume, I'm looking for over 200. Relative volume, I'm looking for over 1. And the float, I'm looking for under 50. 2050 is fine. Okay, and I'm looking for price above the 200 moving average. Now we have this amount of stocks, 37. Okay, now that 37 stocks, what we're gonna do, we're gonna scan over these 37 stocks. Now I want stocks that are of US base, right? I want US companies, so you click on US. Now we have 31. Okay, we have 31 beautiful stocks. Now what I will be looking for now on this one is that I'll go into my TA and be looking at unusual volumes. Okay, so I'll be looking for the one that actually has volume. The volume is unusual but hasn't gone up so far. Okay, so for a stock like SYPR, what I'll be waiting for right now is for a pullback to maybe the $4 area. Then I pick some up on this name. Next one is going to be PANL. This one I do like it because the volume is unusual volume. However, it's a small price stock, okay, and a low float as well. And it's around this area. We pushed through this resistance and we couldn't hold it, and we pushed back. I bet this is going to push through at some point this coming week. So keep an eye on this PANL. I like it. Next one is going to be this one, TIPT. I actually didn't buy this. Okay, I'm just seeing it right now. Look at the unusual volume right here. It's so huge. If you cannot see it, let me highlight that for you right there. That is an unusual volume coming in the name. This is an unusual volume compared to the rest volume, right? So that is what you want to look for. What you want to look, there could be continuation play on this name, because this is a three bar play. That's what they call it, a 3-bar candle play. Okay, now we have rail is good, but we hit resistance and then we pull back. So I'm expecting it to consolidate around the $20 area, and then we'll see what happens. INDB, the beauty of INDB is that we push higher and we got to resistance, rejected resistance, and close 81.43. Overall, I like this one for continuation higher if we can break this right shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. It's like a head and shoulder, which means reversal. So if we can break this resistance, and we should be good, right? Next one is going to be USDP. What is USDP? USDP is USD partners, okay? They are into railroads. Why are railroads actually popping? Is it because of Biden infrastructural plan? We don't know, but however, we will have to trade the stock. Okay, we have to trade it. So pretty much we push higher and then pull back. Look at what happened the last time when we actually got volume. We push higher, then pull back. We did the same thing and then pull back. So I'll be looking for consolidation around this area to pick some up on USDP. This one is gone up too far, so I'm not too concerned about that. Next one, this one. CDAK. This is the trend we are breaking right now. If we can consolidate just a tad bit, just a little bit, then I'll be able to pick some and then set my stop loss underneath this level of $14. Okay, the next one is going to be Camp. I've been behind this for a long time, but I just couldn't get into this move on Friday. I'll be looking for a price to pull back to the $12 or $12.50 area, then I can be able to pick in my long-term account. Next one is going to be what? BJRI. This one, keep an eye on it because we are holding solidly around this area. If we can reclaim the $60, we should be all right. This is the restaurant. As soon as the country gets back in shape, I think most of this restaurant will be popping. Okay, all right. Now next one, this one I still like this one, but we just need to get out of this right hand shoulder. This one already pushed higher, so I won't be looking at that. This one is building back up, but this is a blank check company, so it's a SPAC play. So this looks like a buyout also. This one already pushed higher, so if it pull back to the 450 or if there's still momentum, then I'll be able to pick it. But overall, look at the volume, it keeps dropping. Okay, this one maybe like there's a deal or a measure or something like that going on with MRLN. Okay, this one I like, BBIG. Reason why I like this is because look at the ultimate consolidation. Okay, we've been consolidating for a long time, and look at the big move. Okay, on this one I still like it because I saw this move and I got in around this area. I waited for so damn long, and then I took some profit off around the $8 area and then held the rest. Okay, it was for a long time. That was my idea of getting into this trade. So now if we can break around the $3 area, we should be all right for BBIG. Okay, this one looks like a buyout or something. So next one, EAR. So this one I like the fact that we are breaking out of the trend, so keep an eye on it. Continuation is still there. I think the next resistance is going to be $55 on EAR. Next one is FOXF. This one is gone up too far, so I won't even touch that. FROBK. This one we're breaking trend, and I do like it. If we can break this area of $4, then I'll be able to pick some up and rock and roll with it. This IBP, this one right now we're just consolidating higher. This is a flag. Okay, we need to break the flag, which is the 132 area. I think I might pick some up on Monday. I do like the way the chart is setting up on this name. Overall, my support or my stop loss is going to be around the 129 128 area on that one. This one, same thing, we're flagging, we're about to break out of this level, and there's an unusual volume. So ROEVG, I do like this one. Next one is this same thing, flagging as well. SAM. Okay, this is the Boston Beer Company. Who doesn't like beer? Come on, man. I love beer. Okay, so right now we're flagging around this area right now. I think I see this going to 1350 overall again on SAM. Okay, for this one, BBCP, this one is just been pushing higher and higher and higher. I expect it to continue pushing higher. If we can get to $8 and then reject it, that will be double top. But keep an eye on it. It's engineering and construction. Maybe we started pushing higher because of the infrastructural deal as well. This one is really good, LFUS. The reason is because we'll be able to get to 280 shortly and quickly on this name. With this increased amount of volume, I think we should get to 280 in no time. I do like it, and I'll put that on my long-term account. It's an electronic components company. This gout, this one I've been trading. This one, my entry was around the break this area, 250 to 60. Okay, I took some off around the $3 area in anticipation of the break, and we did we broke that level, and I'm still holding for now. I have my stop loss around 350, very tight. Okay, INTT, this one has already gone, man. That one is just flying like space rocket. Next one is gonna be DSSI. For DSSI, what I'm looking for this one is we tried to push higher, but we couldn't, and pull back to support. This area is the area of support right now, so keep an eye on it. If we don't hold this area of support, then we'll pull back down to this level, which is our 50 moving average. Okay, it's an oil and gas company. All right, so that is it for the week, guys. I really enjoy giving more details about what I'll be looking for the coming week, and I hope you all enjoyed this segment. Look forward to the next one. If you have any questions, concerns, or whatever, just go ahead and email me. You can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on Stock Tweet as well, where I post technical analysis. And above all, don't forget to subscribe for more content. If you want me to discuss about anything like I do with some friends, just go ahead and do that. Okay, have you guys a fantastic rest of the weekend, and see you all on the trading day Monday. Bye bye.